Why you should listen MASICKA music now? If you listen current music, the quality of music a deteriorate. You see me I say it a fluctuate bad.
I really don't know what he said at the end of that sentence. I don't think he knows.
Understand, you see we out, we don't look friend from nobody at all. You get what me I say, you know, see we big.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
That's the thing when you run behind people and you understand, you try to seek hype out of every little thing, you end up get them thing there.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
Here's some pussy, a dark boy, money vendetta, a Gaza genocide, Gaza bomb.
A few moments later.
Pity the poor blind man. I'm begging you something, please.
2,000 years later.
People don't know in media facts, you know. I'll come for talk facts. We're not talking trash around here. You see me? You don't know, you know, big up the people them for the support CMC. You don't know, like, share and subscribe to CMC. You see me? You man know the thing. You see me? I want to see the thumbnail, you know. You see me? I want to see the thumbnail. Why? I don't know what going on. Away man the man cancel MASICKA or what? What really go on? Away man do with MASICKA. Boy, look like Shensiano. Look like Shensiano there to save him this year, for give him biggest song. That what go on. You see me? No man, yo, somebody gonna knock MASICKA door the car. I what go on. King of Dancehall, young king, I what go on. I wanna see him. You see it, I what go on. I see man cranium drop something, but things the people that take it in, I what go on. Cause from Cartel, call him on the little show and him never forward. I what go on. Look like the man him can slim. Cause this is the thing, you know. You see when you prep up a man and him not have that strength there, cause people want to really look, you know. You see me? Cause remember, you know, I look at collab them when him do always I save him some of my time. When him get the little white sting ready and whatsoever, but it does run out, you know. You see me? It run right out, you know. Cause he's a brother, you know. Him wait till everything dwell down before him drop something or whatsoever, you know. Cause him know same weak in the mix. You see it? But if you look on that video, yeah, watch that one, yeah, and see what go on.
I want phone call. I want crowbar. Hey, what me do? Let's do one. Supporter. And a big girl one.
Yeah, people, so I just watch the video a while ago, see it? If you don't realize that show you keep, because a lot of things happen with MASICKA, you know, where them hide, you know. A lot of shows where them do and thing flap out and every little thing, and them not show them thing there, you know. Them go show when things are going for him. You see me? So that's why now you see everything die down, you know. Cause remember, you know, the year just start, nothing now go on. We are one day last time I look me see man French Montana do something. I don't know, you know, cause you see this signing thing, them feel like so when them sign, you know. You see when you sign and you know that fan equity there, it just nah go work. It don't make no sense you sign to a label and you nah no fans. You see me? Cause this is the thing. What the label I do, what internet I do now, I hit the label usually do back then. You see what I mean? Right now the label I use influence of them and the people and forget the music out there and promote the thing right now. You see me? Cause social media so powerful right now. The label kinda can't manage certain things, cause it overpower them. You see me? But MASICKA sign, but we don't really see nothing going big internationally for him. I see the little video with him and French Montana. We're gonna see how that go, cause I don't know. Him can't really get nothing. I just out of airport him thing reach. You see me, and I just fax people, so I know the crux him go forward out, but I one of them thing there. But him not really I do anything right now. You see me? Cause remember, you know, everybody give him strength in a dancehall, you know. You see me? Right now him should be the biggest right now. But him not the biggest because what? Every song him drop him sound the same. You see me? And him song no really have no long longevity thing. You see, cause look what go on with there. Last year, me not lie him get a little run for last year, but when you look at Sting thing bring up say of his save Sting. Me think of them would have called say yo him for save Sting cause them say I him get the year, them say him a the man. Me so shocked for them say yo alkaline. Me think say MASICKA could have saved Sting, but it look like he not qualified for save nothing right now. You see me, cause remember, you know, nothing not really go on, and you see it, him drop him little song. Him have little whites. Whites are go on, but we don't know where him have in the suitcase left. You see it. But we are look for him do the big international thing, but we don't see nothing for a sign artist. We sign artist thing I deal with Skilly and Shensi and them. You see me? We see what I do for them, but we don't see nothing going for MASICKA. No man. Look like him asleep from New Year's I was going. Cause for him do the little truck show. Me I say, yo, Jano. Yeah, I'm a good artist, yes, but look like nobody not there for help him this year. Cause I'm always start off with something with a collab for the year, you know. But me see one where him do with Cranium, but me not see nobody tune into that one. Them I wonder what go on. Cause last year them they say it makes sense I get the views I'm rare, but him and Cranium now I wonder what go on. Cause you don't know Cranium, you know, overseas him live and thing and a good artist too, but you don't know the Jamaican space not too, you know, into Cranium like that. So him do something with Cranium, but I think say would be the biggest thing, man. What you mean? Crooks and but me don't know what go on to reality. Me I wonder if I from the little fan with 3 man go Freedom Street, me I wonder if you fan say yo I eat this, me don't know what go on. You see me? So him supposed to do some international move. You see it, but when there, I walk on, nobody can find him. Remember him say I'm the king, you know. But I guess the man come take back a crown like him, see him like how this man here. Take a crown from Beanie. But it look like he end up give back his same man the crown, so I walk on with MASICKA. You see me, cause remember you know. MASICKA live a little career, you know, MASICKA get the baby up from the industry, you know. But if you watch MASICKA show them, him can't perform. Him can't perform good. You see me? Him can't perform. Him would have there. I tell you, him can't all them little young, some of them little young artists I can perform more than him. It's me. Him go on with a little thing at the Chuck show, yeah, but him need more improvement. You see me? Him need a way lot more improvement, and him need to be more versatile and this one bag of matic and rare thing. Him need to change up him story and now him stick on one thing. You see me? Yeah man. I know what go on still cause we nah hear nothing. Nothing nah go on. Him for run out now, man. I go on. I afraid. Me I wonder if we look a video will come out where him and them a say, yo, Van Cartel come and road, the man them a hide. Me I wonder if him them attackers. But I know what go on. Like I be a hiding thing. You see me? But yeah man, people them I'm go find MASICKA there cause I don't know what go on. See first month done, I go in the second month, I wonder what go on cause I know another year and not gonna be a nice year, you know. You see me? It's not gonna be a play here. Cause nobody feel like say nobody can save him with no collaborate now. I forgot show about the real way. You see it? Yeah, last year him could have get that little one there and rare, but this year a different ball game this year, you know. Different ball game this. So he must go forward out. Cause them done a prep him up from last year, you know. I say he might take the year and whatever and rare, but we not see nothing a click. Cause every year with them same take, somebody else take it too. You see me? So him just need to start out that. You see me, but I wonder if man him really cancel him. We not hear nothing. Wait there, what go on? I wait crooks them there. One side of them there, what go on? Yeah man, me know them go forward up in a comment and talk one bag of thing, but yeah man, roll out man. Remember una say una the man, you know. You see me? Una sort out that man. You see me? But seem to me like una get cancelled or something. Me I wonder what go on. Just hope say French Montana can save on the thing, you know. You see me? Cause this is the last John phone, you know. You see me? And the last John phone of this, so nothing to do what I can do. But you see me? Cause let me tell you, this is the thing, you know. If you watch a little video, yeah. You see, him perform good at the little thing like him. I don't know how to talk to him now. You see me, I try do a little improve at the little truck show and thing, you see me. But I don't know. And the brother everybody him link up with, I just be a bow. Me if I wonder if everybody I'm God. You see me? Everybody I'm God. That for cut out now, brother. You see me? That for cut out now. You see it? Yeah, man. So, I don't know, somebody go look for Massacre there, because we can't see me now. I him come on Sunfest and attack, but him in the streets. And one bag of thing. We don't see me in the street again, how I go on. Because I'm always in the street, you know. You see me? Him always in the street. So I don't know how I go on, you know. You see me? I wonder how I go on, because right now, nothing really go on, brother. It make no sense you sign and nothing improve on them on them bench or whatsoever, brother. You see me? Because right now, I look at collab with him and Shensi, I'm big exam that in career, you know. And I Shensi, I give it. I'm big exam that. Otherwise, some that they don't know, but boy, I'm have to thank Shensi. You see it? I have to really thank Shensi, because I don't know if I'm going to get back another big song like that. You see it? I don't know if I'm going to get back, when they look at nomination thing, I call up with cartel thing. Some people I say, yo, they want Shensi win because he Massacre on the album and whatsoever. So, the thing look away. You see me? So, I have to go forward back. We're going to see what I'm going to do this year still, because right now, he not even look good on him side right now. You see me? It not look good on him side right now, because if him drop him song and drop a collab with Cranium, me know hear not a soul talk about it. So, I wonder how I go on. You see me? Cranium drop his song, things everybody done a real up, but it look like after I show there, him not forward I show I that. You see me? Him have to go forward something right now, because he not look good on him right now. You see me? It don't look good. And every time Calabar got help you, brother, you have to go try do things for yourself. And you're in a game too long now. You see me? You should have master your craft and master certain little things. Because right now, you know, I prep them and prep you up, you know, you know, reach a level yet, brother. You see me? You know, reach a level there yet. You see it? Me have to call you out now, because you see me? You like, you hide. I hide, you hide, you know. You're just start, nobody can see you. You see me? Because right now, you know, if that song that we are going to drop, you know, with you and French Montana and that not going away, you know, brother. I don't know, you know, you have, I know what you are going to do, you know, brother. You see me? And that's the thing. So, yeah, man, people go look for him. Go look for him, man. Because, you know, look sticky right now. You see me? Because you say you're the man. You see me? You're the man. You say you're the king. So, sort out that. You see me? Because dancehall space there. So you can't really hide out yourself or whatsoever, brother. You see me? You have to come prove yourself. Because we say you run from the little war, you know. You see me? You just a prep up, you know, you like you're afraid. Afraid, man. You don't step out the real way. Afraid, but you focus pan international and whatsoever, brother. Brother, you don't reach a level there yet. You don't have a fancy pusher there yet. You see me? You don't have a fancy pusher there yet. You see it? Yeah. You drop couple album, yes. Yeah. 438 can go on. You see me? GOK, I don't really know about that. You see me? And him done a prepare up on one bag of this and one bag of that. But it not show, brother. Like anything if it dominate, nobody not call a name. See him like with this thing. Your name should not call in a brother. I should not call in, you know. You see me? But them prepare up all this big thing, big that, but you not prove it. You not prove it, brother. You see me? Come and tell you, you know. And all the time, collab go save you. Because we see the collab them where you do the one with Shensi, yeah? You have the one with Cartel, you have the one with Dexter Dap, you have the one with Jashi, you have the one with Bounty. You see me? Them they give a big push in a dancehall, brother. You see me? Big push. You see it? So you don't really know nothing for real do by yourself, brother. You see it? Yeah, man. But people are going to see in due time, you know. You see me? People are going to see in due time. You see it? I go see in due time what you're capable of. You see it? Because I look at dancehall baby up industry thing, it not going to work. You see it? Not going to work at all. I tell you. Not work, man. Because you are going to sign on one bag of thing. You know, make no sense you did sign, brother. I tell you, because I don't see where signing a career at all. You know, carry going nowhere, brother. One like a big stage I see upon with Ocean. After that, nothing. You see me? Because I realize them hide all of you show them what you do, what you not do good. You see me? All you show them a mobile where I must see about 100 people forward down there. You see me? You're not even the one perform. But me show the video. People them see. The people them have to see. A lot of things them hide. You see me? A lot of things them hide. Because they want to prepare to make you feel like say, yo, you're the big man and thing. You see me? What I no fight and I no hate a facts. You see it? Yeah, man. That's why I call you out now. You see it? you have to go brave up, brother. Cause that year not normal year, you know. You have to go brave up. At that, me I tell you. You see me? But I don't know, look like the man him cancel you for real, brother. You see me? Man, him really cancel you. I not even see your vlog out there again, I wagwan. I not even see your vlog or rap or whatever, I wagwan. You get look at color with TJ. I don't know wagwan either. You see me? Cause the man him forget about that. You see it? Yeah, man. But you have to go do so, you have to go brave up, brother. You see me? You have to go brave up. Yeah, man, you can't just talk, you know, work. It's one bag of collab. You think a collab will see your career? That me I tell you. But people they don't know, you know. I media facts, you know. You see me, I wanna talk trash. You just like, share and subscribe, same speed. I don't know about that. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, we just talk about MASICKA thing and we don't see nothing go on. You see me? Like in my hide, like I hide in my hide, man. You see me? I hide in my hide, where my weight, man? You see it? Him for run out now, man. Stop your quacking. You see it? Yeah, man. You don't know, you know. Big up the people, them same speed. Big up my supporters, you see me? Big up the haters, them too. You see me? Yeah, man. Got reaction that same speed, you see me? I just saw the things that if you don't like it, just go on. You see me? If you rate it, big up on yourself. You see me? You don't know media facts, you know. That is it.